Major update, as I'm chilling here in my pajama and we jump straight to the laptop, and the Jupiter airdrop is now live. So how do you go and claim? Well, the website is jupiter.jup.ag, which I will leave you link down below. Simply join us, click here, sign up or log in, sign up with an email, sign up with Google. Let's go and log in, or doing, for example, let's go and do the email procedure. So I'm gonna put my email in, which is this one. And as we see here, we click over to submit. We will be having this loading screen over here, or you can simply do it with your Google account, which it is the same, or use any other email that you have the possibility to go and use. And it is going to be on the Phantom wallet, of course. So where will you see this allocation and how do you do your allocation? Well, once you get the email, it will be available, as we see also over here. If you go over to Twitter, they have going on their live space, which it is here. Claims are now live, claim is open, check the link for the comments. So everybody's posting about it. Claims are live, Cosmos ecosystem, anybody. Simply go over here to the JUP query, which it is the one that we talked about it, and just let it know. Error sending the email. There is a little bit of a big amount of people. So let's go and try out with connect with the Google service if you have the possibility. Otherwise, simply go and try again to insert your email. But once you have insert the email, you will have the possibility to go and claim your token. And my best belief, or like the thing that I would do, I will not go and sell it, just so that you know. I will go and put it right here over to the governance. Over here, I will go and put them over to my voting power, which it is 5,000 Jupiter, and I will put also the allocation that I have, that I will receive right here. But as you see, you can simply go and select an account to join in with Google. For example, this one, continue, which it is over on the jupquery.dashboard. And as we see here, with the Google account, we have connected without a problem, which it is kind of like same as the email, linked wallet. My allocation is this one. All you gotta do is simply click over here on claim, claim and stake, or claim only. Well, I will claim and stake. So as we see over here, I got 5263. Once it is loading the page, I will have approximately 5.6 thousand token, which it is the allocation that I will theoretically have. And this will be giving the possibility to receive the ASR rewards as well. Here we got a total allocation, claim your allocation. Give it some time. There's a lot of people doing it right now. As we see, for example, here, they are having, if you're interested, they are having their Twitter page, things to vote, things to know. They're having a Twitter space as far as we know, and as they are announcing this one. So it could take a little bit. We log in, sign up, join us, and you are good to go. So simply claim and vote, all good. Make sure to do all of these procedures, and then once you claim and stake, you will be able to have it over here in your voting power for this token. As you know, keep in mind, it is a little bit of a, it takes a little bit of time, absolutely yes, because there are millions of people trying to get in. So I think that the best way to do it, as we saw before with the Google possibility, you simply go in, you claim, and you are good to go. Simple as that. Connect with Google. Try to avoid the email, because they are probably sending out a lot of emails. Could not be used to. Instead, Google could be used, could be used to handle this much traffic. So stick with the Google, claim your vote, put them to stake, or claim and then sell it. You will have it in your Phantom wallet. It will appear over here if you simply want to claim without stake. It will appear over here, and then you are good to go. So I hope this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.